Ever wondered how a windmill turns wind into energy? Let's break it down, fast. Windmills capture the power of the wind with their blades. When the wind blows, it pushes these blades, making them spin. These blades are connected to a rotor. As the wind pushes the blades, the rotor starts turning. That rotor is connected to a shaft, which powers a series of intricate gears and mechanisms. These gears are essential for turning various mechanical devices, such as grain grinders or water pumps, enabling the windmill to perform multiple functions efficiently. On traditional windmills, this spinning energy grinds grain or pumps water. It's all about turning wind into work. But in today's world, wind turbines take that energy one step further. They convert it into electricity. As the blades spin, they turn a generator inside the turbine, which produces electricity by converting kinetic energy into electrical energy. That energy travels through power lines to reach homes and businesses, providing a clean and renewable source of electricity for everyday use. Wind turbines are incredibly powerful machines. They harness a natural resource, the wind, and convert it into usable energy. This energy is essential for powering our homes, businesses, and cities, ensuring that our modern world keeps running smoothly and efficiently. So next time you see a windmill, you'll know exactly how it works. Wind, blades, rotor energy, simple. Fast, clean, and powerful. That's how windmills work.